Okay, good day everybody. This is the ASM Twins FS. So this was our POI for last week. Verily this was our POI, but you can see this was a very nice SL. So what I will be expecting for US 30 is I want to see US 30 to break above this zone, which is this other block. I call it the flip zone. So price should break above it because we are still in the uptrend. So price should break above it, then we look for buy from that area. We look for buy from this area. Let's go over to NAS. You see what NAS did. You know, I was saying our PI was buy on NAS, so you will see what NAS did. My God. Okay, so you see what NAS did. NAS made a very break of structure again to the upside, making another new close to its new high record again. You see this was our POI. Let it load. This was our POI here. This was our POI before. You can see our POI. This was our POI. This was our POI, and this was our entry for that day, which is the 50%. You can see it. So price did what? Took us out very clean. We were up like maybe half of the position already, half of the position, more than half of the position as at on Monday. Then you can see what price did. Came back, took us out very fine, clean, taking this sell liquidity. I mean, yeah, the reason I call it sell liquidity because price made the candle was not closed by the body below it, so it was wicked out. That is why it is called the sell side liquidity. So you can see what price did. Price moved to the upside again, very almost to 27,000, which is a new high record. Almost to 27,000, which is a new high record. You can see it, almost to 27,000, a new high record. So that was our view for NAS and US 30 as at on Monday. So yesterday we were not able to look at the chart because of time and all that. So this is AUD. We were buying. It was moving very fine, but what price did? Price came to our SL. If our price is consolidating at this area, so if price should push beyond this place, like this area, if price should break above here by tomorrow, we wait for a pullback, or with any price action we will see around this area, we'll continue our buy. You can see the 200 moving average is still below the 50-day moving average. S&P 500, you will see the same thing. S&P 500 is way behind US 100. You can see that the place whereby US 100 have moved to the upside, creating new high record, is still around that area, which is this zone I'm talking about. This zone here. So this is an advantage for whoever that want to buy S&P 500. You can still buy, but that is that. This is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ did not make any retracement to the downside. It jumped up, so we are still bullish on NASDAQ. Let's check the 4-hour. Let's see. We are still bullish on NASDAQ. You can see price is making very, that is high record, a new high record. So we'll be expecting it to reach the point of 15k. That's where we'll be trading into, but before that, price might make sort of retracement to the downside, but you can see it. This is Nasdaq. At the SY, we'll still be selling. The SY will still be selling on the SY. So the SY is making higher high, higher low, higher high, creating trend line liquidity at this area. You can see it's very clear, trend line liquidity. So what price will do is price will break the trend line, take out the buy side liquidity, so to the sell side liquidity. So that is all for now. The only trade that was a pain for me is the AUD, then US 100 that took me out, and it's still going to the right direction. So that is that. Thank you. Remain your humble trader, the ASM Twins FS. We are the ASM Twins FS. We trade only now. So a quick charge is, don't give up, keep trading no matter what, keep looking at the chart no matter how. If it is to connect to someone's Wi-Fi, do that. If it is to borrow, do that. Connect to VPN, do that. Keep looking at the chart, but remember, one day the market will pay off from your consistency. So your consistency will determine your achievement in the market. So don't give up. That is all for now.